In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove and change backgrounds in Fotor. We'll walk through the exact workflow inside Fotor, from opening your image to swapping in a fresh background so you can create clean, polished visuals in just a few clicks. Let's get started by heading to Fotor.com and logging into your account. Once you're in, you can either create a new project or open an existing one from your library. Choose the image where you want the background removed, ideally something where your subject stands out clearly, as good contrast helps the tool work more accurately. With your image open on the canvas, look toward the top of the interface for the BG Remover option and click it. Fotor will process the image automatically and detect the subject for you. This may take a moment, especially with detailed edges like hair or fur. When it's done, your background will be removed, leaving your subject isolated and ready for a new look. If you're working with a busy photo, give the tool a few extra seconds to finish. It's analyzing the edges to maintain as much detail as possible. Now that the background is gone, look again at the top and select Change Background. Fotor will prepare the image for background replacement, and after a short processing time, you'll be ready to browse options. To find a new background, go to Photos. Here you can pick from Fotor's built-in selection of backgrounds or upload one from your files. If you're choosing from the provided options, try searching for a style that matches the mood of your subject: studio, outdoor, minimalist, or colorful. If you're uploading your own, aim for a background with a similar lighting direction and perspective to your original photo, so the final composite looks natural. As you preview backgrounds, pay attention to scale and color harmony. A background that's too busy can draw attention away from your subject, while a simple texture or soft scene can make your subject pop. Consider using backgrounds with enough negative space so your subject remains the star of the image. Also, choose high-resolution backgrounds to avoid pixelation when viewed up close. That's the whole process. Go to Fotor.com and log in, open a new or existing project, click BG Remover to cut out the background, select Change Background at the top, then head to Photos to choose a built-in background or upload your own. With these steps and a few thoughtful choices, you'll get clean, professional-looking results in minutes.